Hello guys, hope you are quite well. These are artistic sketch canvas. You can easily download from the link in the description. Just need to click this link and you will reach to my website GFX, and here in this post you can easily download from here, and this is about the post you're gonna download, and these are files. You need to extract this. You will be WinRAR file just like this, and you will need to extract and you will get in this folder. And here this is Adobe Photoshop file, help file, and just open this. And here this is background. You can move background from here, add background, and this is about text lining, these lines, and colors. You can edit them as the way you like and want. You can adjust themes from here. And many more. You can also do the saturation investment, these by yourself. You can replace photo from here. You just add new photo that you can change the background, and you can easily add from here. So you can download from the link in the description, just from here. And thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please do subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Take care.